Welcome back to another Hungry Cuban Adventures maintenance video. Today we're going to be replacing our gray tank valve. About a month ago, as we were getting ready to leave down in South Florida, I realized that the handle broke off. What I ended up having to do was put a piece of tape on it just to hold it till I had the chance to replace it, but the actual handle itself actually broke off, and there's no way of replacing the handle, so I got to replace the whole valve. We're going to try and get it done today in real time. I'm going to see if I can do this in real time and show you how easy it is to take care of. I went ahead and I cleared out my black tank, and I cleared out my gray tank, so everything is free and clear. At least we hope so. We don't want to get any of that dirty water in our hands. One thing I really wanted to do is replace it with the original valve. These are Valterra valves, and I figured if that's what came with the vehicle and with this unit, then I'm going to go ahead and replace it like that. There's no compromises and not having to create or fix anything differently. It's off pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and save these just in case, even though the new package comes with new ones. The old valve, 2 gaskets. Make sure you replace those gaskets. Maybe I should wear some gloves. I know a lot of you out there already saying, "Where's your gloves?" Alright, I made a mistake. I do that every once in a while. Not too often, but every once in a while. So, got my gloves. Alright, new valve. Comes with its own screws. Two gaskets. Make sure to replace the gaskets that are there before you start installing this. I know, common sense, but you know, sometimes we forget some of these things. I'm going to try it first by putting the gasket on here. See how that goes. That's not going to work. trying to separate these pipes and being careful and gentle with them. Want to make sure gasket's on here good on all sides. Put these right back on. I'm just going to present these bolts in here. I'm not going to tighten them down yet. I'm going to go diagonal too. Just got to finesse these screws in here a little bit. It's a crappy job, but sometimes you got to do it. I'm just glad it's not the black tank valve, but I did clean out the black tank real good like I normally do. All right, time to screw it down. You just want to snug them down. You don't want to tighten them down too hard. It's just plastic. Good. just like that, valve is replaced. What did it take us? I don't know, 6, 7, 8 minutes, I don't know. But now I have new valve. I'll show the old one what had happened. All right, there it is. Handle is broken. Temporarily, I just glued it on there with a Gorilla Tape just so I can open and close my valve. Replaced it. It's a 3.5-inch valve. I'll put the links below. There's actually another valve. Valterra makes another valve, it's 1.5 inches, but our Tiffin uses a 3.5-inch. Or excuse me, yeah, a 3.5-inch or 3-inch. I'll double check. I'll leave it on the link on the bottom. Okay, so I tried to do just a one-take video, no editing, no nothing. It's just as long as you saw me record this. That's how long it took me to replace the Valterra 3-inch gray tank valve. I hope this helps you. If you have to replace yours, it's pretty easy, and they're not that expensive. And I'm grateful we were able to finally get it done, so I don't have to worry about that handle coming off or cutting my hand or anything like that. And I appreciate you guys watching. If this is the kind of videos you like, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification to let you know when our next video comes out. And also, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out with the algorithms on YouTube. Appreciate it. And yes, I did wear my gloves. And yes, I did wear some, or use some of the disinfectant to clean up. I'm sorry I didn't start off wearing gloves, but you know, I'm old. I tend to forget things. But just being real. You all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.